You know that moment when you left comments on someone's post and later regret it? Maybe now you've changed your mind, or the comment just doesn't feel right for you anymore, or maybe you've become a pastor.
Bombastic side eye.
The problem now is you can't find the post anymore because it has been lost in the sea of other posts and reels you've checked in the past. How do we solve this? Today, I will show you how to find it and delete your old comments either on your Facebook account or your Facebook page. Open up your Facebook and then you tap on menu, tap on your profile picture. Alternatively, from the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top. It will still bring you to the same page. Tap on the three dots under your profile name. Select activity log. Tap your Facebook activity. Open the drop down arrow. Tap comment to see every comment you've made on posts or videos in the past. To delete all the comments at once, check select all. To find the specific ones, tap filter, select dates and enter the start and ending dates. Then click on search. You can also tap on manage your comments and reaction to see and remove likes or reaction. Just tap on the three dots and select unlike and you will be able to unlike your reaction. These two steps are almost the same. From your home page, tap on menu. Tap on the switch account icon to select your page. Tap on menu again, then your profile picture. Tap the three dots under your page name. Select activity log, click on your Facebook activity, open the drop down arrow and select comment. Use the select all option or filter by date to find your comment. And that's it. Now you know how to track down and delete any old Facebook comments from your Facebook page or your Facebook profile. And if this helped you, like, share, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!